we are doing.
The game was nice, very tough. Shabana is a well-drilled team, and I think losing doesn't mean that team is weak. Shabana is strong, but you know also we have not won for the last five matches. We are determined to win this game so that we need now more consistency. And I've been building the team. You know, I reshuffled the whole team this year. So every player, we have new players. Only captain is old, but the rest are new players. This young boy came from Malawi. So we have organized the team now. The team is coming up very strongly, and I'm happy for today. And also mental strength. We are trying to build mental strength because playing away is not easy. In front of the crowd like this, congratulations to my boys.
Probably your next 2 matches will be.
No, we need that progress, stability in the team. You know, we have started, so we cannot be sure what next, but we want to maintain what we have, and we have to start where we left.
Thank you.
My name is